Well, hello everyone. Good afternoon. Happy Monday. Well, today it is past 5 minutes past 1 p.m. here, and I'm here at home. How about you guys? How are you doing? And how was your weekend? I hope you're all able to enjoy your weekend and do the things that you love. And also, today, I just decided to hop in here to share with you what I'm doing at the moment, or what I did. So this morning, I decided to do normally I always walk outside, but since it's quite cold and it's raining, so I decided just to do my exercise at home. So what I did, I turned on the TV, the YouTube, and I searched some, dance steps, or like Zumba, like the remix of dance steps, so I can follow them. So I was dancing nearly an hour, so I was sweating, but it's good though. It's good to sweat during this cold season. So exercise daily is an important part of our healthy living, aside from eating healthily, because if you exercise, your blood flow will be okay, meaning because you are getting tired, you're exhausted. So, and besides, your strength will, parang ano ba yon, yung lumalakas ang yung resistensya. Ayun. So, by the way, sa mga nanonood po sa akin today, thank you po for watching and for following me, sa mga bago pong followers. Alam nyo, I'm just really grateful guys na mayroon pong akong business na tumatakbo habang ako po ay may ginagawang iba. Tulad po last weekend, I was just at home with my family because yes, the weather is really freezing cold. And it's orange warning, which means the road are quite dangerous to travel. So we decided to stay home, and then I just did some of our training, and then on Sunday we just went out to go to church and did our groceries, and then when we went home, yes, as usual, we need to cook our food, and then we mind our grandson for nearly 4 hours, I think. And it's a good thing because even though I'm just here, I didn't realize that I have inquiries on my email. I was surprised to see those inquiries from New Zealand and from other country. So, ito po ang kagandahan ng aming business kasi it runs in automation. We have a marketing system that runs in automation. So, even though you are doing something, you are enjoying your day with your family, my business runs 24/7. Yun po. And meron din pong napakagandang news po from our team. Imagine, during the weekend, huge business contracts were submitted in Canada and in New Zealand, and few more future business partners joined on our team. So January, it's just the start of January, and a lot of people are already joining in our team because maybe they are realizing po na they need a second income stream kahit po nagwo-work pa rin sila. And this is the best business na magagawa nila while working and doing this business on the side. Since our training is in video form po, so you can do this business on your available time. Yun po ang napakaganda dito. And it's easy to follow bukod po sa may one-on-one mentoring and coaching and a supportive global community. Yun po, napaka-grateful ko po na a few years ago I found this business. Kasi po before, I was looking for, not a business, but a side hustle that can help me earn extra income while working. But then this opportunity came in, and I didn't have any technical skills or expertise or knowledge about running an online business. But since we have this training, exclusive training, which is really easy to follow, it's step by step, so I was able to build and run my digital business successfully. So kaya po, if you are interested, guys, since this is flexible, maybe you can try, check this out. So, check if this is the right fit for you. So, I hope, guys, you are having a great day. It's Monday, and I hope you're going to have a lovely week ahead, guys. So, yun lang po. Thanks for watching, and God bless you all. Bye!